There's no cap on the radiator at the moment because unfortunately with that on the radiator you can't open the bonnet, so you have to take the cap off so you can get to the engine. So the new exhaust manifold there, which is remanufactured by the club. Since I've had it, I've had the cylinder head on 3 times and decarbonised it. Everything's original apart from the petrol pipe, which runs over that way, and I've got a tin plate there that acts as a heat shield because modern petrol has got so much ethanol in it. Unfortunately, the petrol vaporises, so that's a modification to get it to run on modern petrol. So that's that side of the engine.